and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider. Link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. It's the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got this. Oh God, I was supposed to use... That's okay. I was supposed to use an egg with the last one that I did. But, you know, on further tasting, that last one's getting 0. So, I'm okay with that. What we got here? We got a Nissin dough miso, so like do re miso, get it? It's a red miso, 5 different kinds of red miso going into the seasoning, and the noodle takes 5 minutes, so I'm gonna get going on that right now. So let's drop the noodle block in here, and 5 minutes and go, and you get to watch it cook, because I know how much you really enjoy. I'm sure some of you have never seen instant noodles cook before. So, no, really, actually, there's a guy named, oh God, is it Punch? It's been a day. I'm sorry. It's not Punch. Sorry. But anyways, yeah, I'm generally not a fan of red miso, but we'll see how this one goes. And that last one, boy, it just didn't... It had so much wrong with it that... I'm glad I didn't throw an egg in there. This one here came out of an Akama Noodles box, and you can go to Meow Box Japan, Meow being spelled M-I-A-U, so meowboxjapan.com. Use that coupon code, the Ramen Raider. Use it. Enjoy it. I like being able to give out coupon codes. I think that's fun. Especially if people actually use them and do stuff. It sounds like they do. These are good boxes. I used to do unboxing for a company, and then they just decided, nope, we're not going to do that anymore. We're not going to do any more of these boxes of this style, and I think they switched over to just doing like paper products, which is like, what? But yeah, I don't know. I'm just hoping, ladies and gentlemen, I'm really hoping that great leader doesn't decide that all the fentanyl's coming from Japan, or he decides to put a tariff, like 1,000% tariff for every product coming in the United States. Oh my God. Where I'm at, it's November 26th, and he hasn't even been sworn in yet, and he's mentioned Canada and Mexico being tariffed, and it's affecting the market negatively. So, yeah. Get ready to pay more for basic household needs that come from China, Mexico, or Canada. I think vegetables would go through the roof, honestly, but we'll see. But yeah, no. Japan's our friend. Don't do it. Don't make the instant noodles get more expensive. I mean, granted, if you're going to put tariffs on Chinese instant noodles, that's going to make the price they got to charge to recoup that go up. That's how it works. That's how it works here. If all of a sudden I'm like, oh, it's like when pizza went up because there was supply chain issues during COVID. So cheese went up and dough went up. All that stuff went through the roof. So pizza went up. It's not like, oh wow, we got to pay more for this stuff to make you a pizza. We're just gonna eat that, you know? No, they're gonna add it to their price. Dude. Dude! That's a big thing around here. My son is calling everybody dude. And my wife does not like to be called dude. Because she's a lady. I'm like, okay, here's the deal, buddy. You can call me. You can call me dude. I don't mind. I'm down with that, dude. It's all good. But I say dude and I say rad and I don't know. I was a teenager in the 90s, so. But, that accounts for it. The 90s. There was so much stupid crap in the 90s. Oh my god. I don't know. There was just like all these things that came out in the 90s as far as like, I don't know, just like weird workplace kind of things and team building. And I think there was one thing also that came out in the 90s. Oh yeah. Resource management. I believe resource management is a child of the 90s. You know, exchanging the concept of workers as people for making them assets and stuff. I don't know. And don't put a tariff on Canadian and Mexican. How are we supposed to have good food here? I don't think there's a lot of... I mean, if you're saying you're putting a tariff on everything, I'm guessing that's food as well. There's a lot of yummy things. There's definitely a lot of ingredients. I mean, I'm just... Mainly Mexico. I'm thinking fruit, dude. There's a lot of fruit that comes from down there. Well, it'll have to be made here. Okay, well, let's overnight change the way our entire economy works. And that'll work. I don't know. I will wait and see. Hopefully, it's an amazing success. And I will eat my words. Hopefully, all of a sudden, our country turns into just like Singapore. Out of nowhere. And like, it's just like, there's so much money, everybody's winning, it's so great. But I don't know, we did that once and it didn't seem to happen. We had what, 400,000 people died with COVID, so I don't know. I don't know. Whoa. Ooh, I don't know. This smells like so violently miso, it's not even funny. Oh, I should have grabbed some corn. The noodle looks nice. That noodle looks good. How's about this broth? Whoa, that's deep. Just remember when you see this, because I'm looking at, yeah, think of like a shade darker on everything. Wow. Okay, I like that. And I generally, I don't know, maybe my taste for miso has changed and I do like red miso now, because the last couple times I've had it, it's seemed alright. But sometimes it's just like so earthy and funky and pungent and weird. But this one, it definitely has that earthy pungency to it. But it's good. I'm beside myself. Look, there I am. But I do have to use corn. I know I got a bunch of it here, don't I? Yep. Whole kernel corn. So let's get the can opener out. I wish I could get like a whole bunch of corn, like all the corn. Had the pop tops on them, and I wish they were tiny cans like the little cans of olives. Ooh. mushrooms. That way would be nice. Okay, let's go. There we go. Yeah, I really like this can opener. Oh wait, that's not corn. Yeah, that's corn. What kind of is a bummer is I really don't need much corn. I need like a spoonful of this can. I'm serious. I mean, I really don't need a whole lot of corn. You want to see how much corn I need? I think about like that. Guess I'll eat some. That's pretty good. I don't eat that much corn. Corn does things. All right. I've used the corn. Now I'm gonna put away the can opener. Just hang tight. Hang tight. I'm working on it. All right. So we got some chashu. I feel like I should use butter too, but I think I'm going to resist the urge for butter. But I can't resist the urge to blowtorch. Uh-oh. Yep, it's time to reload the blowtorch. Shoot. Well, let's switch over and let's add our noritamaki. Because that's a friendly thing to add in. No. We're gonna add in an unhealthy and unscrupulous amount of spring onion, then our noritamaki right there. Bingo! Alright. And now we got egg, and I think that, maybe a little chili crisp. I really like buttered corn miso, but I'm really kind of running out of space in the deal here. So I think corn is off today. But egg is not. Egg. Egg. There you are. What a happy little egg. Now I just need to remember to get stuff ready for tomorrow's reviews that use 3 eggs, because the day after tomorrow's Thanksgiving, and I don't believe I'm making ramen on the day after Thanksgiving. Or the day before Thanksgiving. I think I'm going to opt for the S&B Crunchy Garlic Chili Crisp route, just because it makes more sense, because it's Japanese. Although S&B is a more of a British thing. There's a lot of British influence in Japanese kitchen staples. There's a company called Bulldog. They're, you know, a little more British. There. And there we are. That is one freaking fatty bowl. Right there. Look at that. Don't you want to eat that? You know, I might. It's looking pretty beautiful. Well, cool. Thank you very much for watching. And yeah, you know what? If you go over to www.theramenraider.com and you can type in 5000 and you can see a documentary all about how I got started doing this kind of thing and everything that goes into each review as far as like getting posts ready and all that stuff. theramenraider.com. You can also look up chili crisp. Just type that in, and you'll get to see everything that I've been using. And yeah, all right. Smells the ramen raider. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and goodbye.
The eggs are boiling, they are oval. The eggs are boiling, golden in ramen. The eggs are boiling, soft and jammy. The eggs are boiling, the eggs are boiling, the eggs are boiling. Who will cry for the chicken? Who will eat these eggs?